Hey everyone, so in today's video I will show you how to fix the Steam birthday verification issue in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. First, open your Steam app and this is your gateway to everything, your game, library, store and community. So get comfortable navigating it. Log in to your Steam account and click on the login button at the top right side and enter your account name and password. Be careful, passwords are case sensitive, so double check your typing. Once you are logged in, you will land on your Steam home page. Now go to the search bar and type your game here you want to play. For example, Call of Duty. So click on your game and this will open this kind of interface. As you can see here, Steam asks for your birth date to confirm your legal age to view certain game content. To proceed, simply choose a birth year that shows you are 18 years or older. Select the correct date. For example, I'm selecting 1996. And once everything was done, click on the view page. So that's it. You have successfully fixed the Steam birthday verification issue and can enjoy a smooth gaming experience. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.